Do you want slayed brows? Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse the ratchet hair. It's in a messy bun because it's air drying. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my thick eyebrow routine. A lot of people have asked me on IG, so if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at FashionForward_plus. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into it. As you guys can see, I'm using ColourPop brow pencil. It has a spoolie on one end and the actual pencil on the other end. It's in the color black and brown. Guys, I ordered this in bulk. Seriously, it's only $5 for it. I love the quality of it. I normally just use it by itself, but in this video I'm using two different eye pencils. Now, as you guys can see, you're seeing the whole me put on the eyebrow filling thing, all that good jazz. But let me break it down to you. So what I first do is I brush my eyebrows in an upward motion just to have them all going in one direction. Then what I do is I literally trace my brow. So I'm going to wait for the second one so I can show you exactly what's going on so that you guys pretty much won't be too confused. So now we're on the second brow. What I do is I trace underneath my brow line pretty much so I can get the definite shape of it. I go a little bit further towards my nose on purpose. You guys will see why. Now when it comes to the top, I try to trace the natural line. Sometimes depending on how thick I want it, I do go a little bit above. And as you guys can see, I have to create my archway because my eyebrows are so scarce. I do not have an arch. So my arch, I have to definitely create it. And then what I go ahead and do is light strokes in the beginning. Light strokes mimic hairs. And then I just go ahead and fill in my brows. Normally, I only use the ColourPop brow pencil. If I'm not using it, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade in the color dark brown. But in this case, since my natural hair is pretty dark, I decided on using two different colors. So I'm still using the ColourPop's black and brown, but later on in the video, you guys are going to see a different one. So at this point, when I'm done with that, I go ahead and brush the brows together, kind of blend it a little bit, and then I take in the next color. So I'm actually using a jet black, and that is from a company called Celavíe. I actually got this pencil, which is like an eyeliner / eyebrow pencil, at the beauty supply store. It was like 99 cents for it, so really inexpensive. And you know, you guys can always use eyebrow stuff, eyebrow pencils, eyebrow stuff, you know, from 99-cent stores or beauty supply stores or whatever, because in my opinion, they work the same. Some products I do find work a lot better than others, but you know, to each his own. So after I'm done putting a little bit of black in there, I like to use a spoolie to blend everything together. Blending everything together creates a fade effect in the front. What you don't want is for your brows to be looking cray-cray and not blended. Then I go ahead and clean up my brows. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I also use a concealer brush. And what I do is I basically just trace what I've drawn. Trace. Now when you're actually coloring, you trace first and then color. With the brows, you color first, then trace. So I'm tracing the edges of my brows both under and over. And I like to bring the concealer towards the center, bring it right to my nose, and they're going to connect together. I feel like when I do it this way, I'm able to blend a lot better when I then apply my makeup. that my brows are traced, it's time for me to start the blending process. So basically, I just drag up and down the concealer and I just blend that into my skin, just, you know, making it look a little bit better. And then when I'm able to apply my makeup, you won't see any really harsh lines at all when it comes to the brows. All right, and now it looks pretty crazy. It pretty much looks like I have a unibrow, which is perfect for me because there's a method to my madness. So I told you guys all about going ahead and using the spoolie to basically fade the brows. That I do it on purpose, and I bring it to a unibrow so that when I'm actually cleaning up my brows, it is perfect. What I do is I go ahead and take my face brush, and my face brush is from Real Techniques. And all I do, you guys, simple to get rid of the unibrow, is I go ahead and brush the middle of my face down. That is it. So you guys are definitely going to go ahead and see that. But what you're seeing right now is me just clean up my brows. So here we go. Real Techniques brush. And that's it, you guys. Look. And the unibrow is disappeared. And what I do is I just keep going down until I'm satisfied. And until those brows look snatched. That also helps me with blending and getting the perfect brow. So as you guys can see, my brows are beat. If you guys want a thin brow tutorial, go ahead and let me know. Leave a comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye.